In this video, we'll learn and understand how to build your career path in user experience or UX. Hello, and a warm welcome to the Transcendent. Build a future-proof career path in UX design. From confusion to clarity, from skills to strategy. We often hear that user experience is one of the most exciting careers in the modern digital world. But when we look closer, the path into UX can feel unclear. There are designers, researchers, strategists, consultants, freelancers, and more. And this creates a simple but powerful question. Where do we actually begin? The truth is, UX is not a single job. It is a system of roles working together to improve how humans interact with technology. And if we do not understand that system, we risk positioning ourselves incorrectly in the market. In this chapter, we move beyond surface-level advice. We break UX into its core pillars, understand how real professionals build careers, and most importantly, we define how you can align your existing skills with the right UX path. Because success in UX is not about starting from zero. It is about positioning what you already know in a smarter way. Learning objectives. Understand the 3 core pillars of UX. Identify career paths. In-house, agency, freelance. Build a storytelling-driven UX portfolio. Translate past experience into UX roles. Let's start with the foundation. UX is built on 3 interconnected pillars: design, research, and strategy. Design focuses on what users see and interact with. Research focuses on understanding user behavior. Strategy connects business goals with user needs. When we understand this structure, something powerful happens. We stop trying to become everything, and instead, we start specializing. This is where real careers begin. Choosing a UX pillar based on strengths. Building a narrative-driven portfolio. Positioning skills with clarity and intent. Now, let us talk about career paths. UX professionals typically work in 3 environments. First, in-house roles inside companies, where you focus deeply on one product. Second, agencies, where you solve different problems across clients. And third, freelancing or consulting, where you control your work, but also your responsibilities. Each path has advantages. And the right choice depends not on trends, but on your personality, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. Discover your strengths. Choose UX pillar, design, research, strategy. Select career path, in-house, agency, freelance. Build portfolio with storytelling. Position yourself for the market. One of the most overlooked advantages in UX is that many people are already doing UX work without realizing it. Tasks like improving workflows, understanding customers, or designing better systems already exist in many jobs. The difference is vocabulary and positioning. When you learn the language of UX, you unlock the ability to reframe your past experience into something valuable and recognizable in the market. This is often the fastest way to transition into UX. The most powerful shift is not learning UX. It is recognizing that you already have pieces of it and aligning them with clarity.